Okay, this project is a lift that I'm building to use inside the barn here. And basically this is an old lat pull down machine that we replaced, and what I've done with it is I mounted casters on it and mounted a little hand winch where the seat used to go, and then ran the cable up over the pulleys and then down to the what you used to put the weights on. So speaking of weight, I've put this one small weight on the back so it won't tip over. I mean, it won't tip just sitting here, but with a load. So I'm going to actually increase that weight quite a bit. Anyway, I'm just going to fashion something like forks, like on a forklift, that will just go down to the ground when this is down, and then I can lift things. And if I got something heavy I need to put up on a workbench or something like that, that's what I'm going to use that for. So I'll keep you posted.